everyone, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce to you guys this fantastic, beautiful, genuine goodness in rice. Guys, I've been blowing a trumpet on this particular video, telling you guys you want to know the type of rice I use recently and all that. Guys, the hour, the time, the minutes, the moment has come. So this is it, guys. Like, this is the rice I use, and this is the rice, guys, you really need to try. So the name is Tilda Genuine Goodness Golden Seller Basmati. This rice is good for your family. Like, if you want to give your family a treat, guys, go for this rice. I don't know for you guys, but this is the rice we are eating now. Like, anytime we want to eat rice in my house, this is one we go for. Like, I came across this rice and I actually fell in love with this rice. Like, I've been using a quality rice in the past. I mean, who doesn't like rice? Guys, we don't eat rice like every time, but when we want to eat it, we eat very good quality rice, and I recommend this rice to you. This rice is amazing. This rice is highly recommended. Enjoy the goodness in rice. Enjoy the silkiness in rice. Enjoy the taste of good quality rice. Like, this video is not sponsored. I'm just telling you because I have tried it and I am a witness to it. Eat this rice, buy it, and you are going to fall in love as well. So guys, I've used this rice for so many times. You buy this rice and then you thank me later. And I thought, why not show you guys the particular rice I use. So this rice is awesome. This rice is really genuine. Like, it's really goodness indeed. And the name is Tilda Golden Basmati, as I have said. You want to try this rice. If you want rice, like a good quality rice for your family, guys, go for this rice. If you want a party, guys, go for this rice. If you want to, like, any event you think you want to give the people treats or something, guys, go for this rice. This rice is really amazing. I mean, you can see the texture. You can see it's really good, like very good and silky. I don't know, this rice is really amazing, and I'm really in love with this rice. Guys, I made a recipe on this rice. I just show you the outcome of the jollof rice I made with this rice. You can see how it looks. Like, is there any other thing you want in your jollof rice rather than this? Like, is there any other way you want your jollof rice to look rather than this, guys? Let me know if you want a recipe on this. Like, you really want to know this rice. Like, if you haven't used this rice before, I am actually recommending it to you guys, so you can go and buy it and try it for yourself and see how it's looks, how it tastes. How this rice is a must try, is a really must buy rice. So guys, as you can see here, I'm just transferring the rice into an empty container. So the last time I went to the shop and I didn't see this particular rice, so I went to another shop and I saw it in a 5 kg, because we normally buy 10 kg, so I had to buy it. So I'm just transferring it into this container. It's still the same, everything is the same, it just that it's 5 kg, but that's okay. So as you can see here, I'm just trying to transfer it into the container, and this container I'm transferring it into is 5 kg as well. So guys, as you can see, this is 5 kg. Nobody does this for you. Like, nobody can do this for you after like in the one they sell in the shop. They can't shake it or make it to go down, so they can keep adding more. So after adding this rice into this an empty container, which is 5 kg, you see I still have some left. So yeah, and I'm making rice and beans here, so I'm going to add the remaining one. I'm going to cook the remaining one, but I just thought I should show you. So yeah, that's it. This rice is really nice. Let me know if you're going to try it. And yeah, I hope this video is useful. I hope it's well informed. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, it's the same. Everything is just the same. I hope you enjoy it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see a recipe on this, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want more, and if you have not. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.